I'm back with the testimonial. I have been taking Cara MD Pure Nature supplements for 2 weeks every day. I've been taking 4 capsules a day, the recommended serving size. I take 2 with breakfast, and then I take 2 in the afternoon or 2 with an early dinner. Not only wonderful for like my energy levels, but my metabolism has boosted, and I honestly feel like less stressed and more hydrated. It's providing fruits, it's providing vegetables, and all different types of antioxidants. This is in particular a superfood supplement. Overall, Cara MD, I am very impressed with this formula. This is the Pure Nature formula.
Hi, Blake here. Just wanted to say a couple words about Pure Nature from Cara MD. I've been taking it now for about 30 days. As you can see, I'm a pretty active individual. Doing my walk here with my 40-pound pack on. I can tell you, I hate eating my veggies. I absolutely hate it. So taking these supplements from Cara MD, I gotta tell you, I have more energy. This is my 10th day in a row now doing this walk. Maybe before I could do 3-4 days in a row. So something to be said there. But I feel better overall. You know, not just about energy, but you know, just getting through the day without coffee and without stimulants, I think has really been helpful. So I would highly recommend it to anyone that wants to supplement their diet if they don't eat enough veggies, fruits, and all that. It's a really great product. I'd highly recommend Pure Nature.
Hi, my name is Karen. I'm 80 years old, and I've been taking Cara MD Pure Nature fruits and vegetable supplement for about a month now. And I can definitely tell a difference in the amount of energy that I have. I would highly recommend this to anyone who feels run down in the afternoons or sleepy. This definitely will help. Thank you.
I want to share with you this cool supplement that I've been taking for the last couple weeks by Cara MD called Pure Nature. Now, I really love this product because it actually works for me. You see, I've tried a lot of other supplements in the past, but honestly, none of them ever did anything for me. But let me back it up first. The issue that I had was low energy and not sleeping well. I was always feeling drained, always kind of like walking around in the fog, and I never woke up feeling refreshed. And this caused a lot of issues in my personal life and my work life because I just didn't have the energy that I needed to stay focused during my day. But since I started taking Pure Nature, I've noticed a huge difference in the quality of my life. So, you know, I take 4 of these and, you know, big glass of water, and I notice a big difference almost immediately. You know, I wake up feeling refreshed, I'm sleeping better, and I have the energy that I need to push through my day. So if you're dealing with low energy and not waking up feeling refreshed and you want to do something about it, I really recommend that you try Pure Nature by Cara MD.